Salut, bonjour, ça va? Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. Continuons notre classe. Today we start revision. Revision of important grammar. Okay, this will make you very clear of what you have learned. Fine. Now we learn revision of lesson 14. Revision of lesson 14 that deals with revision of lesson 14. 14th lesson deals with être. That deals with être conjugation. What is être? To be. I am, you are. Now see, today we revise only the affirmative form of être. This interrogative and negative will revise in the following classes. Être become suis for je. What is the meaning of je? Je, I, tu, you, singular, il, he, or it also, al, she or it, nous, we, you, plural, you, all of you, il, they, masculine plural, a group of boys, al, feminine plural, they, a group of girls, okay. These are all pronouns and this être becomes suis for je, es, ye for tu, ye again for il, ye for al, som for nous, être for vous, son for il, son for al. What's the meaning je? I am. It becomes I am, you are, he is or it is, elle, she is or it is, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are, ils sont, they are, also they are. Only affirmative we learn today, we revise today. And if I form a sentence, if I form a conjugation like this, I am asked to conjugate a sentence like this. Être dans le jardin. What's the meaning of être dans le jardin? To be in the garden. Jardin means garden, new word. Jardin, garden. Être dans le jardin. Conjugate this. If the question is like this, what will I do? I conjugate être. Je suis, tu es. You just revised. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Then add this dans le jardin as it is. So what will be the meaning of this complete sentence? I am in the garden. You are, tu es dans le jardin. You are in the garden. Il est dans le jardin. He is in the garden. Elle est dans le jardin. She is in the garden. Nous sommes dans le jardin. We are in the garden. Vous êtes dans le jardin. What's the meaning? You are in the garden. Ils sont dans le jardin. They are in the garden. Elles sont dans le jardin. They are in the garden. So you get a complete sentence now. I am in the garden. You are in the garden. Okay. So I am in the school. You are in the school. I am in the house. That's easy. This is what is called conjugation. Okay, this être becomes like this for different persons. This is called conjugation and this is how you make a full sentence. If you are asked to conjugate être dans le jardin, this is what you should do. You understand? This is the revision of 14th lesson. This is lesson number 31. It deals with revision of 14th lesson. Now the test, you did negative sentences yesterday in the test. I hope you did well. Pay a little more attention, okay? If the test is concerned about some particular lesson, go to that lesson, view that lesson, understand, and then try to, the questions are anyway given, okay? Go to that particular video, understand, and then start writing. Today's test is pronounce, and write the definite articles. Definite articles, le, la, le, L apostrophe, le, la, L apostrophe. Where will you write le, the? All take the meaning of the. If it is masculine singular, write le, the. If the noun is feminine singular, write la. If masculine singular or feminine singular noun starting with a vowel, write L apostrophe. I have given 10 words. 10 words. So find out rag is masculine or feminine. If it is feminine, write la. Or it is masculine, write le. Garçon, boy is masculine or feminine. Image is masculine or feminine. But beware, it's starting with I. So look out every word and write the proper definite articles. Okay, you are writing 10 marks, pronouncing the word correctly. You should pronounce la gomme. You should pronounce like that. That carries 20 marks. This is based on lesson 16. Go to lesson 16. You will understand. This will be explained. Understand and write. Okay. Go to lesson 16. So, à plus tard. À demain. Au revoir. Merci.